The first impression of the machine was terrific. The huge weight advantage, so easy to carry, and then of course, the great advantage of working without electricity, only with battery. I am actually a fan of battery-powered devices and machines because it can work more flexibly. The battery power is completely sufficient for daily operation. We use machines in daily pipe cleaning operation, and this one has gained our complete satisfaction. So the biggest advantage with the CAS system is, of course, that I can use different machines with the same type of battery, which makes the work even more flexible. Indispensable for daily pipe cleaning use. I would recommend the machine at any time.